Hello, welcome to a quick unboxing of the SJCAM SJ8 Pro from SJCAM. Yeah. So I'm super interested in this one because like the E4K Plus, it supports 4K 60 FPS. And that's something I really started to fall in love with. So let's look what's inside here. So that's the camera in the case itself. Let's put it aside and see what's underneath here as well. Let's throw this away. That and this and that. And get everything out of here. So we have some stickers, the manual. Okay, nice. Adhesive mount. One of those that I think, oh, that rotate. Does it? Does it not? Oh yeah, it does. Okay, cool. And we have another one that's flat, and this one is curved. So flat, curved, microfiber cloth. Very nice. Water case back door up to 3 meters, I think it says. What does it say? 3 meters. Okay, so looks like it has like a membrane, so the touchscreen might work still. So I think as soon as you're underwater, it might not work. Yeah, the touchscreen functionality won't work underwater. It's literally print on there. So another cool thing, USB Type-C. I feel like everything should be Type-C now, but not everyone agrees, I know. And we have some, oh yeah, that's nice. Lens cap. Oh, like rubber one. Also fits on the E4K Plus, nice. Then we have mounting hardware. So that's like a 90-degree switch between the tilt angles. What do we have here? This has no switch, just an extension. And this one is a switch as well, but shorter. A cool thing which the GoPro is missing is that it has a tripod mount like the E4K Plus. So this is like, you can mount this on the tripod and then use this mount to mount it like this, or you can use the tripod mount down there, but I'll do you in a second. Oh, and that's for later, because I want to show you that that's my intention, to mount it on a quadcopter and get some footage. So let's put this aside for now. So then we have more adhesive pads. Cool. And more mounts. So those are the lighter versions than those that can rotate. One bend and one flat. And this is pretty cool. I use this on my bicycle, or when skiing I have this on the stick, and yeah, that works quite well. Cool that they include one like this as well. So let's look at the camera. So the mechanism looks identical to the GoPro. Push it to the side and then lift it up. And oh, it can be tough because there's like a lower pressure inside if it flew over the big lake. So there it is. Cool. So the quality looks really good. Love it. And we can peel stuff up. That's always nice. I love it. Buttons feel great. Cool. So that looks a bit flimsy, to be honest. But I guess it will work. So let's see if we can power this on already. Or if the battery is depleted. Ugh. At least here's the battery. 60 degrees Celsius. 1200 milliamps. So 1.2 amp hours. Battery, SD card slot. but that's not look like it would turn on. Bipod mount. So let me check. Oh, okay, so totally pushed the wrong button, I think. Yeah. Okay, so that's pretty cool. Very bright LCD in the front. Cool. And the back has a color screen. Let's remove the film here as well. So much to peel off. Love it. Okay, so right now it's set to 4K 30 FPS, but I want it to be 60, and you can see it's selecting 50. So I guess I have to change from NTFS to PAL, but I'm not actually sure where I would find that. Frequency 60, there we go. That was easier than expected. And now we can select, hopefully, don't 60 FPS. Yay! Cool. Yeah, I think that's probably enough for the unboxing, because I don't think I have SD card right now here. Oh, I actually do. The downside with 4K 60 is that the file sizes, or the amount of footage you generate, is like insane. So what I got is a 120 gigabyte SD card, micro SD card. And I would just shut it off for a second and put it in here with the pins facing that direction. Let's power it on again. Just too impatient. I think I need to hold it down longer. The screen looks really, really good. So far I'm happy with it. So let's start it. So that's recording, low battery warning, just to get some footage here. And it actually turning off, too bad. Let me see what's this cable. I might be able to power it while recording, so we can get a few seconds of footage to look at. Sure if it's charging, it's glowing red inside there. So let's power it up. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so 3 seconds and it says charging. So we can try again. Getting some quick footage. With all the stuff around here. Pretty funny. So videos, please wait. Which you can try to adjust brightness. So far, from looking at the display, that was quite short. Looks okay. But yeah, not that impressive, I know. But that's why I want to put it on my quadcopter and get some flight footage, freestyle, and yeah, then we'll make a little blog post about it and put a link in the description below. Okay, I think so much for the unboxing. Thanks for watching. But what I'm totally missed is, which is very important for me, is the weight. That's always interesting. So the weight is 88 grams with the battery, and I know some of the hardcore weight saving guys will remove the battery and power it from the flight pack. So it's weighted like this, and we get 64.6 grams, and in other words the battery is 33.4 grams. Okay, but now put this on here as well. 75.8 grams for the case. I think that's actually fine. I think the GoPro case is heavier, the diving case. Okay, so much for that. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.